You're watching Football Daily. This is the top 10 goal scorers of all time. At 10 is James McGrory. Celtic's all-time top scorer netted a staggering 550 goals over the course of his career. At 9 is Portuguese legend Eusebio. Known as the Black Panther, Eusebio was one of the all-time greats, scoring 552 goals in official matches. 8 is Ernst Wilimowski. The first player to score 4 goals in a single FIFA World Cup match, Wilimowski netted over 554 goals during his career. At 7 is Uwe Seeler. One of the most prolific strikers in the world during the 1950s and 60s, Seeler scored 575 goals and was the first player to score in 4 FIFA World Cup finals. At 6, with over 576 goals scored during his career, is Hungarian striker Ferenc Deák. Ahead of him in 5th place is Germany legend Gerd Müller. Der Bomber scored 68 goals in 62 appearances for his national team, as well as a record 365 goals in 427 Bundesliga games for Bayern Munich, with his career total standing at a phenomenal 735 goals. At 4 is Ferenc Puskas. One of Real Madrid's all-time greats, the Hungarian scored over 746 goals for Los Blancos and Budapest Honvéd, as well as 84 goals in 85 games for his national side. At 3 is the one and only Pelé. Regarded as the greatest player of all time, the Brazilian legend scored 1,281 goals in total, with 767 coming in official matches. In 2nd place is Romario. Over the course of his remarkable career, the Brazilian has scored 772 goals, including 55 for his national team, making him the Seleção's 3rd all-time highest goal scorer. But at number 1 is Josef Pitzan. The Czech-Austrian striker scored over 800 goals over 27 years, making him the most prolific goal scorer in football history. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and let us know which top 10s you'd like to see next in the comments below, and we will make the best suggestions. For the best football top 10s on YouTube every week, be sure to subscribe to Football Daily.